What role do grid-tied systems play in national energy independence? Imagine a future where your home not only powers itself but also helps the entire country, relying less on imported fuels. That's where grid-tied systems come into play. These systems connect solar panels or other renewable sources directly to the main utility grid. When your solar panels produce more electricity than you need, the extra flows back into the grid through a process called net metering. This means you get credits for the surplus energy, which lowers your electricity bills. It's like turning your roof into a small power plant that benefits everyone. Since grid-tied systems don't need large batteries, they are cheaper and easier to install. The grid acts as a virtual battery, balancing supply and demand all day long. This setup makes renewable energy more affordable for homeowners and businesses. It also ensures you have reliable power even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. The grid supplies backup power, so your lights stay on and your appliances work smoothly. On a larger scale, widespread use of these systems spreads renewable energy sources across the country. Instead of relying on a few big fossil fuel plants, energy is generated closer to where it is used. This reduces transmission losses and makes the entire power system more resilient to outages. It also cuts down on carbon emissions because more clean energy is injected into the grid. That helps the country meet environmental goals and reduces dependence on imported fuels. However, grid-tied systems alone don't make a country fully energy independent. They depend on the grid for backup during low renewable generation or outages. To reach higher independence, some systems add batteries or operate as microgrids. These options increase costs but provide even more control over energy supply. Electrical engineers design these systems with special inverters that convert direct current from solar panels into alternating current compatible with the grid. They also include safety features to prevent backfeeding during outages and must meet strict utility standards for interconnection. Overall, grid-tied systems are a key part of moving toward a more self-reliant energy future. They help diversify energy sources, reduce reliance on imported fuels, and support a cleaner environment. By integrating renewable energy into the existing power infrastructure, they make it easier for the country to produce its own clean power and reduce dependence on external energy sources.